Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm Shakera. If you're a retarded subscriber, hi bitch. Oh, what's up? Kinda just woke up. It's like 2 p.m. and I'm not about to blame anybody or make any excuses, but it's my daughter. So yeah, I'm up and I just like showered, brushed my teeth, do all that stuff. And I'm about to head out and I'm just gonna take you guys. It's nasty outside. Look at that idiot. I have to return the old iPhone in this box. Like, this is the box they sent me to return the phone. Like, look at this shit. So I'm heading to FedEx right now because, like I said, I have to drop off the phone. Thank you. You're welcome. So she's giving me a better box. This is her over there. Yep. Thank you. Have a good day. Bruh, why the fuck you park all the way over West Bubble Park? Like, I'm a cutie. I don't like to walk. The people them hungry. You going inside for real?
I'm about to.
We couldn't wait in line because that shit is long as fuck. And we're hungry.
Oh.
You come back fast?
And look, that car still didn't get his shit yet.
What you got for me?
See?
McDonald's have the best fries. Don't argue with me. Right? So today, I'm gonna do some Christmas shopping. And I'm not really gonna buy gifts. More so grocery, you know, for Christmas dinner. And stuff for the baby. And I know you guys could hear her. She's very grumpy right now. I don't even know why she's not asleep. So yes, that's what I'm about to do today. And I'm gonna take you guys along. Well, obviously. Let me take this little girl up before. Come here, Stinky. This is so ghetto. Now you can see mommy. Alright, no more fussing. So if you guys saw my old videos, you'll know I used to wear braces. So right now I'm about to put these on because I took my braces off. Then I got these retainers to wear. But honestly, I haven't been wearing them. Like, I took my braces off in July and it's now December. And I only wore it for a week. So I know these about to hurt when I put them on. You know, I just saw them today and I'm like, you know, I paid a lot of money for these teeth, baby. $6,000 is not about to go down the drain. So, but the only thing that I don't like is that it's annoying. I can't really talk. I take them off every time I eat. And nobody got time for that. Oh my God. These hurt like a bitch. So my baby need diapers and I'm just getting it from BJ's. And the one I get for her is the Pampers Swaddlers. That's like the best option. That's what I think is better because I've tried Baby Dry. It leaks. I've never tried Cruisers. And there's the other one that I've tried and it also leaks. But this is the one. That should look mad good.
Bavarian cream. I feel like that. So
I don't like donuts with that dusty ass thing on it.
with the flaky stuff.
Yeah. And then when I eat the jelly, I don't eat the jelly. I just eat around the jelly.
You don't like the jelly? Give me your jelly, bro. Can I get one Boston cream, one strawberry, and then one jelly?
Okay, you tell her that. I don't remember.
Okay.
You want the cream cheese on the thing, right?
No, I want the cream cheese on the side. Get into it. This strawberry looks so good. I want this. What the hell? These are my favorite coconut water. Oh my god. Guys, this shit is fire.
Yeah, I got you. I got this on camera.
Chinese food is hitting. Don't choke my baby.
Yeah, you like the flavors? Yeah,
Everything is nice and seasoned. So I have ground beef, parrotfish, some snapper, and ham. So I put this one to sleep and sis is up. Sis is up. Why you up? I'm not laughing with you. I'm just here editing this video. It was been supposed to be up, but you know, I'm a mother. Even though that's not an excuse, but hopefully I do get to edit this in peace because this little girl is up. So I just put on some cartoons for her. So yeah, look at her feet. Look at her. So it's 2:19 Christmas morning, and I'm just up doing mommy duties, and I'm just feeding her, and it's going crazy outside. Like, it's super windy outside. I don't know what the hell's going on. And I'm also recording a video how to make sorrel. I'm gonna do my daughter's own Christmas photo shoot. Well, at least I'm gonna try. It smells so freaking good. I have rice and peas, some string beans, fish, jerk pork, curry goat, and baked ham. It's in my I ain't washing no dish plate. So I just want to come on here and wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'm having a wonderful time. Like, I'm low-key tipsy. Like, this sorrel is hitting. And I did make a video on how to make sorrel, so look out for that video. It's coming on my channel very soon. I don't know if the sorrel video is going to be up before this vlog. And thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye.
Run up on it, you know I'm on it.